Good morning, judges. Imagine approving a vendor today, discover tomorrow they were linked to fraud or sanction. Vendors scream, use AI to stop that in just 30 seconds. Malaysia lost 2.4 billion to vendor fraud, yet due diligence still take days or even weeks. Data is fragmented, manual, and there is no real-time monitoring. VendorShield combines AI agent, AML intelligence, machine learning, and relation analysis into one platform. One scan gives complete vendor intelligence. Think of this as an analysis that works 24/7. It automatically performs 10 investigations and delivers a final risk verdict in seconds. Let me show you how our AI feature works in real time. Here, we can click run and watch the AI investigate a vendor step by step, from sanction and news analysis to cyber risk, AML check, and the final recommendation, all with zero human intervention. After the investigation, AI Insight generates a concise risk summary and recommendation action, helping compliance team understanding key concerns immediately. And if user want deeper explanation, they can simply ask our RAG powerful assistant. Questions like, why is this vendor high risk? Or which vendor have sanction exposure? And receive evidence-based answer immediately. Our AML engine follows BNM and FATF guidelines, automatically detecting sanction match, PDP connection, self-company, and other risk flags in under 5 seconds. Here we execute 8 AML rules and categorize each finding by severity, while automatically generating a KYC due diligence checklist. The compliance dashboard consolidates sanction status, PEP link, country risk level, and domain reputation into one unified view. And whenever a new issue is detected, real-time alerts are generated automatically, allowing compliance team to respond immediately. Beyond predefined rules, our machine learning model learns hidden fraud patterns over 6,800 real company records and achieves 94% accuracy. Each vendor receives a full probability score together with feature important explanation, so user understand exactly what driving the prediction. We also identify vendor with similar risk profile using AI, helping organizations proactively monitoring companies that share the same warning sign. To simplify complex information, we combine 7 dimensions into a single, easy to understand risk score. The risk breakdown page shows exactly which factor contribute most to a vendor overall risk through interactive visualization. We can also track how risk evolve over time and identify when significant change occur. With scenario simulation, user can perform what-if analysis and instantly see how different situations affect the overall risk level. Organization can compare vendors side by side to support more informed procurement decisions, and administrators can customize risk rating to align the platform with their own internal policy and compliance requirements. Fraud really happens in installation, identify high-risk regions across their entire profile. Behind VendorShield is an AI ecosystem combining multiple data sets, ML model, and a real-time risk engine built for financial institutions. We start with Malaysian 2.4 billion fruit program, but our vision extends across ASEAN and a global GRC market worth over $64 billion. Our subscription models go from small business to enterprise bank, creating sustainable and recurring revenue. VendorShield reduced renewal time by 99%, make KYC process 360 times faster, and help institutions avoid million in regulatory risks. Unlike traditional GRC tools, VendorShield actively investigate vendor using real-time AML check, AI agent, and machine learning. Our roadmap starts with Malaysia, expand our product capability, and eventually bring VendorShield across ASEAN region. VendorShield transforms weeks of manual due diligence into just 30 seconds of AI intelligence, making vendor risk management faster, smarter, and safer for financial institutions across ASEAN. Thank you.